In recent decades, the global aerospace industry has experienced rapid development. Turkey has emerged as an ambitious new player. Through massive investment in research and development, the country has successfully built a high-tech manufacturing facility capable of assembling the world's largest aircraft engines. This state-of-technology factory built in Turkey symbolizes the national industrial transformation toward technological independence. The facility serves not only as a production site but also as an innovation center, combining artificial intelligence, precision robotics, and high-level automation systems. Every process in the factory is designed to achieve maximum efficiency. One of the factory's key advantages is the use of the latest generation of industrial robots. These robots are capable of assembling engine components with microscopic precision, previously only possible by experienced human technicians, supported by advanced sensor systems and real-time data processing. Every engine part is automatically inspected. The aircraft engines assembled at this facility are no ordinary engines. They are enormous and designed for wide-body aircraft used on long-haul flights. These engines possess incredible thrust, capable of transporting aircraft with a capacity of hundreds of passengers across continents non-stop. Furthermore, fuel efficiency is also a key focus. The assembly process begins with the manufacture of core components, such as turbines, compressors, and combustion chambers. The materials used are special metal alloys that are resistant to extreme temperatures and high pressures. 3D printing technology is also utilized to produce components with complex designs that are impossible to manufacture using conventional methods. In addition to manufacturing technology, the factory is equipped with a highly sophisticated testing laboratory. The assembled engines undergo a series of rigorous tests, including simulations of extreme flight conditions. During this stage, the engines are tested at high temperatures, low pressures, and maximum rotational speeds to ensure their reliability. Turkey's success in building this facility is due to strong government support. Significant investments are allocated for education, workforce training, and collaboration with international research institutions. Human resource development programs are a top priority, ensuring that local engineers and technicians are equipped with cutting-edge technology and are globally competitive. The impact of this factory is significant for the national economy. In addition to creating high-quality jobs, the facility also encourages the growth of supporting industries such as component manufacturing, materials, technology, and software. Turkey is further strengthening its position as a hub for the aerospace industry in the Eurasian region. Furthermore, this project also has a strategic dimension. With the ability to produce its own aircraft engines, Turkey will no longer be entirely dependent on technology imports from other countries. This provides significant advantages in terms of national self-sufficiency, particularly in the defense and air transportation sectors. However, the journey to this achievement has not been easy. Technical challenges, high costs, and global competition are obstacles that must be overcome. Turkey must continuously innovate and improve the quality of its products to compete with the world's leading aircraft engine manufacturers. Furthermore, international safety and certification standards are also crucial factors that must be met. Going forward, this high-tech factory is expected to not only produce conventional aircraft engines, but also develop environmentally friendly technologies. Research into alternative fuels, hybrid engines, and electric propulsion systems will be a key focus in facing the era of sustainable aviation. With all its achievements and potential, Turkey's move to assemble the world's largest aircraft engine is clear evidence that innovation and determination can change the global industrial landscape. This factory is not just a production facility, but a symbol of technological progress and national independence. If it continues to develop, it is not impossible that Turkey will become a major leader in the global aerospace industry in the future.